Math 98 practice test 1. This is question number 14. Supposed to solve it. And as I go to solve this one, I notice that I have an a cubed equals 25a. And what I'm going to do is subtract 25a from both sides. First, I'm going to try and get this thing equal to 0, factor it, and then see if I can't use the zero product property to find all of my solutions. So I subtracted 25a from both sides. So now I'm going to look at, is there anything I can factor out? And there is. I can bring an a out. Those are both divisible by a. It's going to leave me an a squared here minus 25. So I've got that a out there. That's good. A squared minus 25. I have to factor that as well. And I could think about it as a squared plus 0a minus 25. And then I need factors of negative 25 that add to 0. And I would get there that way. Or I could just recognize this is the difference of two squares. So 25 is 5 squared. So this is going to factor into a. I still have that a. A plus 5 times a minus 5 equals 0. And now notice I have three things multiplied together to give me 0. I have this a, I have this a plus 5, and I have this a minus 5. All that, when multiplied together, give me a 0. So that means that either this thing could be a 0, so a could be 0. This thing could be a 0. So if I solve that, subtract 5 from both sides gives me negative 5. Or this thing could be 0. And so if I solve that, add 5 to both sides, gives me that. So A has three possible solutions.